Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be making slime. This bowl is dirty. Actually, it's not. It's perfect. Keep falling. Right. So guys, this is what you need to make. So you need glue, shaving cream, and contact solution.
One of them was something about throwing a leg over or something like that. You don't have to tell me what that means because I looked it up. But is there an American phrase that you had trouble with that you didn't know what it meant that you had to look up? An American phrase?
Well, don't you say sitting on your fanny?
Yes, we do.
That's a very different thing here, as well you know.
Oh yes. Yes it is. Yes it is.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, no. We don't sit on that. That's something to do with a lady. No, butt and fanny. I thought, well, aren't they? They're the same things, aren't they? But they're not the same things here. So is that too much for morning television?
No, everybody's gonna go to their phone and look it up, and we'll let them do that and stay with us on television. But Imelda, in a enlightening conversation, I appreciate the time.
This looks like so far. We're gonna put the glue in.
Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.
I think you guys figured out what Fanny means over there. All right. Finding Your Feet is the movie. It opens next Friday. We'll be right back.
Now he's making good on his campaign promise to arm homeless people with guns, starting in Detroit.
The president tweeting that DACA is dead and blaming the Democrats and guns.
3 people were hurt in the shooting before the woman took her own life. In Macomb County alone, 51 people are currently being prosecuted for making school threats.
Thursday and Mo. Find out what's new for the fucking divas. And they performed their biggest hit. Today on Fox News.
Guys, got it up. So that should be it. So guys, I said this is I have the shaving cream.
Selling or trading your car is sometimes more trouble than work. I'm Alex Driver with Volunteers of America. We turn every donated car into a vehicle of hope for people in need. We'll quickly
Guys,
pick
I'm
up
just gonna
RV or motorcycle free of charge, so all the paperwork, and you get a great taxi note.
This is not my dad's.
Call now to see if donating your
Come on.
vehicle makes sense for you.
Find the adventure
you've been looking for and visit Ohio
It's
Mile,
not the top.
Pennsylvania. Get your adrenaline rushing with a whitewater rafting trip on Miles of Wild Rapids that will thrill adventurers of all ages. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, seasoned guides and equipment rentals will make sure you have the time of your life. Explore a mile-long hiking trail, make your way to picturesque waterfalls, or rent a bike and take a ride on the Great Allegheny Pass.
This makes it up.
Text RAFT PA to 41411.
Turn you around. So you get the shaving cream you want. Just mix it. Sorry,
Chick-fil-A for breakfast.
so it's
Let
just
the experts at Suzuki make your carpet, furniture, and tile look like new. Our purple trucks are in your neighborhood every day. So call us at 1-800-SUZUKI or visit originalsuzuki.com. Suzuki, that's the best. That's the purple truck.
contact solution. Contact solution, guys, because it helps it transform into slime.
Starting out with the tag board, here we are. I want to see what you guys think of the topics that we have.
This is me dancing. I'm not about to fall. I'm dancing.
We started the show. We were simply describing the conditions outside. Some folks were complaining. Suck it up, said
There it
one
is.
lady. Buttercup, talk about what's more, lady. You
Now I'm just gonna mix it up. But you don't have to be that fluffy if you don't want it to. Anyway, this is a lot of shaving cream.
Personal security risk. Facebook needs to be shut down. Says rules 420. Rules 420. That's an extreme for you, huh? Oh my goodness.
Just got like that some more kind of solution. Sweet. Mix it up, guys.
I feel like you mentioned your high school girlfriend in that interview. I did. I want to go back and ask her.
So I gotta put a lot of contact solution.
And this is my first time ever interviewing the fellas, so ready for the world that I listen to their songs with. Back when people used to actually slow dance and talk to the girl in their ear like, hey girl, after this.
Pretty sure we gotta mix it up.
They're smarter than they actually are. Look for the answer on the back nine, and we love studies around here. We're gonna run that one out.
This is not transforming. I don't know why. Probably too much shaving cream. You can add how much shaving cream you want. Too much. So I just use more. So
We come to you immediately, and you get our no fee guarantee. Never a fee. That's all you need. Enter and get the first in advantage. 1-800-CALL-SAM.
I had to put that right there. That's it. I'm just gonna mix it up a little more.
Pure milk, pure moments, nothing else. Dairy Pure. Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash.
See, guys.
Skin the moisture it needs and keeps it there longer. With lock-in moisture technology, the skin is petal smooth. After all, a cleanser's just a cleanser, unless it's Olay.
Somehow we always leave packing to the last minute. Guys, I have a couple of things to wash.
We got this. Even on quick cycle, Tide Pods cleans great. 6 times the cleaning power. And even in the quick cycle, it's gotta be Tide.
I could add a lot. She added a lot of shaving cream. Because it's not going to transform. And after that, you can just use your hands. But I'm not going to use my hands for right now. It might fail. I think it's going to fail. Because this is like a little bowl.
Michigan Problem Gambling Helpline. People don't want to call us. They're ashamed, and they don't think they can be helped. I have a master's in social work and real-life experience. I was a gambler once too, so nothing you say can shock me. It's my job to help you, Michigan Problem Gambling Helpline. So call me.
Gambling problem? Call 1-800-270-7117 and get help.
Yeah, it's failing now. This is not transforming. There it is.
When a careless driver cut her off, she called 1-800-CALL-SAM. We came to her, we fought for her, and won.
So
That's
I
the
gotta
first in advantage.
put this back
1-800-CALL-SAM.
in the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and get all this stuff cleaned up for a little bit. Whoa, that's a big mess. So I'm gonna clean up from Todd and then get back with you guys. So I'm just gonna do a track.
Say the answer wasn't what she was expecting. She took a DNA test only to discover that her biological father is the fertility doctor her parents used to see her back in 1980. Now there's a lawsuit, so we'll get into that with Charlie Langton when we see him for the verdict. Wow. Wow.
Also, let's talk talking about John Krasinski. Remember him from The Office, but he's done so much more since then.
So
He
guys,
directed
I
a film
knew
called The
that
Howler,
are going to be
a great independent movie. He also is going to be the new Jack Ryan, but he has a movie out, right? Directs and co-produces. It stars with his wife. This is a good film called The Quiet Place. We'll hear from him about this.
And he's in the, what's
Jack Ryan?
Jack Ryan? No, yeah, but what's the thing he's most popular for? The Office.
we're just going to keep mixing. No more shaving cream. There's no. No. No more shaving.
So say it again, I'll react differently. Go ahead. Say he was on the
And you know he's also a lip sync band. Oh, that's cool. Take two.
Hey, what's not cool though is this weather, Lori Pitts, and I am done with it. We talked about it, and I think most of people in Metro Detroit area are ready for spring.
Not cool, but chilly.
All right, thanks for the masses. Yeah.
I'm a man of the people here.
But you're like down on the
No, you guys are just messing.
Thank you very much. I'm glad we can make that distinction. Some folks cannot. We'll have some sunshine though in the forecast for you today. It's better than yesterday. Still breezy conditions, not nearly as windy. Let's go ahead and take our live look. Show you what's going on. It is freezing outside. Actually, winds out of the west in about that 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Better than yesterday. We had winds gusting up to 32. Here's a look around your neighborhood at this hour. Freezing almost in the city. Ann Arbor into 31 as well. A couple of 30s on down to our south. Howell, Pontiac, good morning to you there. All right, here's our current wind speed. These are sustained winds, but the wind is continually blowing at 13 miles per hour at Howell, 16 in Ann Arbor. Not yet to feel a bit chilly out there. Temperature-wise, we're in the 30s, but right now our wind chill values improving a bit in Pontiac. 17 is what the wind chill value was last hour, but feels like 22 in Windsor. I guess it's all relative. 23 is what it feels like in Troy. Heading for an afternoon high around 41 degrees. 54 is where we should be. A mix of sun and clouds across the area. Satellite radar composite showing you what's going on. Reason why we are finally getting rid of the cloud cover as well as the snow showers that were in this morning. An area of high pressure down to our south, bringing more of a dry influence in, but it's a temporary thing because as we look at our Fox Futurecast, you'll notice the clouds try to overspread the area again, and this time another shot of snow coming on in heaviest on up there to our north. You see a little bit of mixing on down to the south. I'm talking about you, Monroe, Taylor, Flat Rock. Fox Futurecast by tomorrow evening, still a chance for some light snow in the area, and then clearing out as we head into your Saturday. Specifically, we're looking at snow totals that will be primarily on the light side, again a little bit heavier on up there to our north. So no worries, just enough to be a nuisance, right? And to remind you, it's not over. It is Michigan. And the forecast for tonight, increasing clouds, snow overnight, lows right around 30 degrees. And look at the next 7 days. Looking for some more shady of sunshine for you on Saturday and Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, an opportunity for snow both days. On Wednesday, a little bit of a break, but rain coming in late. Beyond that Wednesday, though, we would see a look at your Fox 2 weather app. All you have to do is follow along the forecast for us. Download it. It's free. Hope you have a great day, guys.
We're trying. And that wasn't so bad because think about it. It may snow a little bit, but it's going to be 40, so it'll melt.
Yeah, but the average temp is 55 degrees. If we can just be average, it'd be a little bit better.
Yeah, but it could be completely snowy and gray.
That's very
But at
true.
least the sun's going to come
Like
out.
take it, gentlemen. Back and forth.
Yeah, look, there's a major traffic mess that's looming for Metro Detroit commuters. I mean, this is nuts. 28 miles by 696 going to be shut down for repairs.
28 miles.
At various times, various locations in the coming weeks. Meaning it is not all shutting down at the same time, but it's going to be a lot. I think it's fair to say that Macomb County. Let's get this off. DeQuinder.
Got that right?
So DeQuinder to 94, to I-94. The eastbound side will always be open. Westbound will always be closed. That one's easy. Oakland County from DeQuinder Road to I-75.
Sorry, guys, my nose ring is just like.
Closures. The state is tackling both projects at once at home, finishing working time for the start of reconstruction of 75 next year.
Get
So
the
there you go. So and it's tough, but we need it. We need it, right?
You got to navigate your way through this. This is tough. It's a tough one, but you got to.
So here's my deal. A couple weeks ago, I was on 696, and it was backed up for miles because they were repairing potholes. And I'm thinking to myself, traffic. And then I'm thinking to myself, potholes. You know, it's like we want these roads to be fixed. We want want the potholes to be filled. We want the bridges not to have rocks falling from them. But at the same time, we get annoyed when we have delays or our routes get altered. But you gotta go
down 28 miles of 696.
I understand.
Small chunks.
I understand.
You pulled the Band-Aid right off, though. That's
Yeah.
right?
I don't like ripping the Band-Aid off.
I don't mind this because if they can fix these roads, this is such an important thing. I just drove up north to the Charlotteway area, and I feel like once I got past Flint,
It was clean.
it was unbelievable. The roads were
I know.
perfect.
As soon as you hit Ohio sometimes.
And I'm thinking to myself, how in the world are these roads so bad? Like,
Makes you think.
it's the same state.
It makes you think. That's true. Not the same municipalities.
Yeah, I mean, I was just floored. So, you know what? Good for MDOT that they're doing all of these things. We need new roads. We need repairs. Get it done. I know there's going to be a lot of inconvenience for a lot of people, but at the same time, I mean, people are spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on repairs for their cars because of the mess that we have out there.
It's a long tunnel, but the right.
Way to put that on. Bam. Now, I just have to say this real quickly and we'll move on. My brother used to love ripping Band-Aids off. So I had to stay away from that. That's why I was saying rip off the Band-Aid. Yeah. Sure had a Band-Aid. It had a cut. It had a cut under there. My brother, I'd just be sitting there watching TV and all of a sudden, wham!
He rips your Band-Aid off, punches you in the face, and puts salt in your wound. Because that's what brothers do.
Did you know my brother?
Yeah. I have a big brother, too.
Yeah. I was like, why would you rip that off? Now you just have to get a new Band-Aid. Alright, I had to let that out. I love my brother. College kids. Let's just limit it to them right now. They think they're smarter than they really are. That's the story we've been talking about all morning. And here's the real story. According to new research from Arizona State University, a study published by the journal called Advances in Psychology Education indicates a man with an average GPA was more likely to say that they were smarter than 66% of their classmates. That's now with an average GPA. Now the figure fell to 54% of women who have an average GPA. The study looked at more than 200 students. Men were also 3 times more likely than women to say they were smarter than their classmates. It works with most closely. So what we're saying is not that men are smarter, which is what I've been saying all morning. I just like saying that. Yeah, I've been saying that all morning. The studies say that men think they're smarter, but the numbers don't necessarily show that.
And they can't, because if 64% of average think they're better than average,
Well, that's important.
it doesn't add up. See, and this is college. We're old, wise adults now, so we don't fall prey to that.
There's 2 versions of smart as well. I was always good in the classroom. Like I was book smart. I could pass a test. I could get an A on a test. I had no common sense whatsoever. I feel like I was smart in the classroom, not so much smart in common sense.
That's a good point. Yeah, this is based on GPA. You're right.
So-
Yeah, knowledge is so much more.
I think one of my biggest problems with people as a whole.
All of you.
That's a great thing of advice right there.
Is lack of self-awareness.
Oh my goodness, I agree.
Like, whether it's stay in your lane
Huh?
or that, like, lack of self-awareness for people, for me, is a big
And
thing.
the empathy that can go along with that,
Yeah.
you know?
So in this case, the
I just
man who
made
thinks they're
cereal.
smarter than they are, that's the lack of self-awareness.
Probably lack a little bit of self-awareness.
But the other side of this could be that maybe it's a good thing. Let me try. Maybe it's a good thing to think you're smarter than you are. Right? Isn't there something to being confident? Of course, you don't want to turn into a jerk.
I think there's something to be said for that. You know, I just not know your place or anything like that. That's not the right phrasing.
Right.
But it's almost like you see somebody that's like, oh, I'm the greatest thing in the world. I'm like, dude, come on, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, I'm just a regular guy from the neighborhood, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I hear you. I hear you.
All right, hey, let's go to the Masters and tea time, 8:30. Plenty of fun there at the par 3. You know what? This was kind of par 3 challenge. If you're squeamish, just kind of look away for a second.
All right.
Tony Finau, all right, great tee shot on hole number 7. Gonna get a nice bounce, and the ball is gonna roll into the cup.
No, today we will see if I didn't know that was gonna happen, man.
So you brought that on yourself. You got to.
I know.
Hey, so let me see this. I want to
Man, that was see if he's trying
sports guy. Does he have ankle issues all the time? I had a buddy in high school whose shoulder popped out of socket every day, and he's just like, angle. Look at this. Put your leg in. Is that what this is?
I don't know. I've never heard of it. To be honest with you, I've never heard of this guy's name before yesterday. But one of the things that I first thought of was Marquise Romanica, one of the place kicker from the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. He would kick an extra point or a field goal. He would go nuts like he just won the Super Bowl. Just a random extra point, 7-0 or whatever. He was celebrating and he ended his career by tearing an ACL or something like that. Lost it, ended his career with that. Wow, that was a celebration. That was a shocker. Tiger goes off in less than an hour from now, so Tiger don't celebrate. Is he gonna pull it out? I'm rooting for Tiger. No, I think if he's ever gonna win, it's gonna be this year. Yeah, he's not gonna win again. I'm rooting for him. Love time. Share your comments, your thoughts on today's show, and on any of the topics we've been talking about. Use the hashtag the 9. Go to Twitter, go to Facebook, whatever the case may be. And hey, look at all these trucks in our back. Look at that, baby. Wow, is that our back? Yeah, it is. Wow, look at all the stuff going on out there in the 38. Oh, we're going outside. Get in the cold. It's freezing, Jeff. Walk me outside. Then we walk. Don't run. I'll wear a coat. Yeah.
Makes sense. If you have a heart condition, you seek out a heart specialist. So if you're in an auto accident, doesn't it make sense to seek out the law firm that wins more accident cases than anyone else? That's us, the Mike Morse Law Firm. Call us today and let's go for the win.
Okay, I'm going grocery shopping. What's next? We should probably get the groceries. Thank you.
Fresh ground chuck is just $1.80 a pound, and a 3-pound bag of seedless mandarins is only $2.69.
This is Pelton Chevrolet, Michigan's #1 Chevy dealer. More cars, more SUVs, more trucks, more savings. Get the lowest price on this 2018 Silverado. Lease for only $97 a month. Or this 2018 Traverse LS. Lease for only $164 a month. This is why we are Michigan's #1 Chevy dealer. See it all at FeldmanChevy.com.
Living in American House is like being on a cruise ship with all the lovely surroundings, the many, many activities, and the people to share with. It's so comfortable to be here. I feel safe. I don't have to shop. I don't have to cook. I don't have to clean up. I just get dressed up and walk down to the dining room and enjoy my meals in the company of other people at my table. Living here has enriched my life.
See why so many of our residents say, I wish I'd moved here sooner. Call us today.
Every day there are about 300 auto accidents in Southeast Michigan. If you're not injured, you're one of the lucky ones. If you are, call me, you're one of the smart ones. Injured in an auto accident? Call me and let's go for the win. 855 Mike Wins.
I think it's not working.
There's some sad news for racing fans this morning. We just found out that the Hazel Park Raceway is going out of business. Now, the racetrack informed employees that they are shutting down operations. A sign posted to a window at the track reads, after 70 years, Hazel Park Raceway is closing, effective today. We want to express our heartfelt appreciation to all of our employees. Wow, that place has been there for a long time. All right, it looks like a plan to make the Michigan legislature a part-time body is on hold for now. Organizers of a ballot drive says the effort is ending for now due to a lack of petition signatures. The Clean Michigan Committee does not intend to file signatures while the Michigan Bureau of Elections and with the Michigan Bureau of Elections, and instead will keep names on file to contact supporters for another potential petition. That drive could happen in 2019. could be the perfect day for the Troy Police Department. Get it? I said perfect. A new feline officer will report for duty tomorrow morning. Troy PD launched a Twitter campaign earlier this year saying if they got enough retweets, they get a police cat. And the public responded. The department will bring 3 cats tomorrow. One of them will get the job. The other 2 will be up for adoption. A police cat. That just makes you smile. All right, let's head outside to Ryan and Alan. They're outside for a good cause. Hey, gentlemen.
Hey, Lee, this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, the scope of giving is right behind me here. We've got Brother Jerry Johnson from the Captain Soup Kitchen. We've got Skylar Rich representing the Metro Detroit Chevy dealers here today. So tell us what we've got here, Scott.
Well, I'll tell you, the Metro Detroit Chevy dealers are so proud to be a small part of such a very important program here with the Captain Soup Kitchen. One of the things that we've talked about as Chevy dealers in Metro Detroit is more than just a business in your community. And
Okay.
Chevy came out and filled these trucks up for Captain Soup Kitchen.
38 trucks, Brother Johnson. What does that mean to you? What does all this giving do for you and what you're trying to accomplish in the community?
Well, one of the goals is to try to build bridges in the community, to try to relieve suffering in our neighborhoods, and this is a step in the right direction for that.
And you know, the way that you guys approach this, you make it so real. The experience itself, when you exchange the goods, the way you do that, it feels like a retail experience.
Well, you try to think of each, it's a Franciscan spirituality, is to try to think of each person as our own brother or sister. So we never want to be patronizing with what we do, but try to think of each person with a certain amount of respect, and also try to respond to what folks need and what folks are asking for.
Yeah, we're looking at a lot of this stuff here. What is it you guys need most? What do you want? I mean, I see some toiletries here. What is the scope?
Well, it's mainly for 2 different programs. One program is at our soup kitchen down by the monastery. We have a shower program. These are for folks who might be living in cars, living in buildings without utilities, or might be homeless. And so it's hard to find affordable housing in Detroit. So these types of things, men's, women's underwear, hygiene products, shower products are what's helpful for them. The other one is for our food pantry, where we have families who do have a place to stay, but are struggling to get by. And these are just helpful items, supplemental items for the house.
Truckloads of food. Scott, you've got representatives from all the Metro Detroit Chevy dealers, and in coming together, you guys have a slogan, Chevy drives the Motor City, and you're doing it in more ways than one here.
We really are, and if you go to ChevyDetroit.com, you can find the closest Chevy dealer to you. We have programs like this, that we run throughout the year, and the Captain Soup Kitchen is such a big part of what we do. I'll tell you, when you think about waking up this morning, right, a stark reminder of how important it is to fund things like this and really make a difference in Metro Detroit.
For both of you, are either of you ever surprised at the amount of involvement that you get from your Chevy dealers, from the people in the community who come and help with these causes? Or does that ever surprise you or eye-opening?
Well, the eye-opening thing for us at the dealerships are we probably all had someone come in and drop off a whole bunch of very important products, and they were affected and helped by Captain Soup Kitchen in their younger days. So they're giving back.
I believe in the goodness of people, and I think we have issues in our communities with schools, transportation, housing, hunger, and I think we can do this if we all apply ourselves. We're intelligent people with big hearts. Everyone is. So if we apply ourselves, I think we can make a difference.
Skylar Rich, Brother Jerry Johnson, thank you so much, guys. And Scott, you guys do such great work in the community throughout the years. Keep it going.
We will, absolutely. Your Metro Detroit Chevy dealers will be there for you.
Awesome stuff. All right, let's see. What are we going next? Charlie Langston.
That is awesome stuff, Ryan. Thank you. All right, an adult woman discovers that her father is not her father. Who is the father? Also, big penalties for making school thrust. Big discussion. We'll discuss that.
behind the scenes.
We recovered over $1 billion for our clients. We didn't do that by settling cheap or cutting corners. We did it by fighting and winning for our clients and their families. There are over 1 billion reasons to get the Bernstein advantage. 1-800-CALL-SEND.
Fox gives you in real time closed captioning brought to you by Full-Side Windows. Bring into action and say, with half off every window and door wall. We can do that. We are the factory.
Plug in to the grand opening of the new outlet inside Art Van Furniture. Get the lowest price on 5-piece bedroom sets now $6.99. Power reclining sofas with Bluetooth $7.98. Sealy Plus Suite mattresses now $2.99. Plus, shop hundreds of hot buys $99 or less. Save 20 to 50% off. Plus, no interest for 12 months. Going on now. The grand opening of the new outlet inside Art Van Furniture. See it all at artvan.com.
My healthy routine helps me feel my best. So I add Activia yogurt to my day. With its billions of live and active probiotics, Activia may help support my digestive health. So I can take on my day. Activia, now in probiotic dailies.
At Jets, we know the best pizza starts with the freshest ingredients. That's why we make our dough fresh daily. Use sauce made from fine ripened tomatoes and all-natural, fresh, 100% mozzarella. So you get deep dish perfection with a crispy, crunchy crust that's like nothing you've ever tasted. For a limited time, get any large Jets specialty pizza like the Aloha barbecue chicken for just $13.99.
What's the Bernstein advantage? Always a free call and a free consultation. We come to you immediately. And the no-fee guarantee. We don't get paid until we win. Let Michigan's first family law fight for you. 1-800-CALL-SEND.
We do it each and every Thursday at this time. One of my favorite segments of the week. The one, the only, the hardest working man in television, radio, and everywhere else. Charlie Langton is with us.
Wow. Build up there. I don't know if I nailed it. I don't know. Yeah, it's a tough one. Well, you guys were talking earlier about this DNA case. Apparently, one in Idaho Falls discovered. She's 36 years old. She discovered that her father is not her father. And when she did some testing, she discovered that the doctor, her parents had some fertility issues. They couldn't get pregnant, so they went to a doctor. At the time.
So I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.